Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're busy building our MB78 DIY watch kit from Namoki. This is step number 4. Watch me install my hour and minute hands. One of the more intricate steps in the process, but I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step.
Right, so here are our hand setting tools. We'll be using the black one to set the hour hand, turning it round, the white one to set the minute hand, and then the blue one for the second hand. However, I'm not happy with this one from Namoki because it's got a dish to it. There's this hollowed out section and it's too deep for a second hand. If you use it like this, you will bend your second hand. So we're going to take a bit of time to modify the second hand setting tool, and here's how we're going to do it. Let's move our other bits out of the way. We'll bring the paper in that we used earlier when we filed down the dial feet stubs. We'll bring our diamond file in again, and now hold the setting tool perpendicular to the face of the diamond file and give it a good filing down. We stop to have a look, and there you can see we've got a good flat surface with a tiny little hole in the middle. That hole is useful. When you're happy with it, file off the edges, take your paper and diamond file out of the picture. So here we go. We've got our movement and dial. We have our beautiful gold Mercedes hands. We have our hand setting tools, black for hour, white for minute, blue for second, and we have our rodico that has been formed to a point. Here we go. So we pick up the hour hand in the middle of the hand with the rodico and gently bring it over the central shaft. Align the triangle on the hand with the bottom of the triangle. You push it into place with the black portion of the hand setting tool. Now check. No, that's not parallel. It's pointing upwards at the 12. So we bring our hand setting tool in and we tip it down gently towards the 12. There we go, that's looking a lot better. I'd like to zoom in over here to show you an important detail. When your hand is set, you will see the top edge of the hand is flush with the top edge of that central hour pinion. Here we go. Those two surfaces are flush with one another. Now your hand is sitting at the height it is meant to. I'm not quite happy with that alignment. It's leaning too much towards the 12 now, so put it back towards the 6. That's looking better. It's clearing the index. How about this direction? No, we're leaning towards the 3 o'clock. Bring the tool in again. Press towards 9. There we go. That's looking better. Yes, I'm happier. So now we're going to be cleaning up a bit. First we use our puffer, blow away any debris that we can. We're done with the puffer, we bring our rodico. Now there's a little bit of rodico left on the shaft of this hand, the installation, but rub the rodico over, you'll be able to pick that up. Just take your time and carefully clean everything. Once you've cleaned the hand, use the same rodico to pick up dust off of the dial. Now let's check. And we do a rotation around the dial. It's clearing all the indices. It's moving freely. I think our hand is doing really well. I'm in the habit of doing 2 rotations when I'm using a date, because this is with the date switches over. It doesn't matter here. I want to align perfectly with this 12 o'clock index. Then I bring my rodico in and I pick up the minute hand. That's how we did it on the hour hand. I didn't show you the visual, but it's the same process. Now we bring it in gently. Want to get it over the central minute pinion. We get it to seat, and gently we press it onto this pinion, but very gently at first, not all the way, because what I want to do before I really get it seated tightly is just adjust this so that we've got absolute center on the 12 o'clock index. Then we can bring the hand setting tool in and give it a good press. I apologize, I was supposed to use the white one and I used the black one. It's not the end of the world. Okay, now we're standing a bit proud over there. We're not doing too bad on that axis. So now I'm going to bring the setting tool again, and I'm going to press and lean towards the 12 a little. Check, that's looking better. Yeah. Now I want to confirm alignment. And what I do is I rotate the minute hand, I bring it to the 12 o'clock and check the hour hand is pointing directly at an index, directly at the 3. Therefore I know my alignment is good. You may have spotted a smudge on the minute hand. We'll just bring our Rodico in, gently run it over the shaft of the minute hand, and we'll get the smudge off in a moment. Once the hands are clean and tidy, we use that same Rodico and we pick up any other dust on the dial. Check our alignment. Those hands are parallel to the dial, they're clearing one another. We've done a good job of installing those two hands.